People come into me and ask me about enriching their soil for growing vegetables, fruit trees, all sorts of things. Here in Perth, a lot of people just want to use manures. So they just want to use either sheep manure, cow manure, those sort of things. It's not a bad thing. I just find from my experience it's a very short-lived solution, especially down on the flats in the sands where there's lots of air in the soil. You mix in manure, which is full of bacteria. It'll just break that organic matter down as soon as it gets water, and the manure is probably gone in literally a couple of months. The reason why people like putting manure on, I believe, is it works in Europe where you have a lot of clays and you have a nice loamy sort of soil, and it tends to be beneficial there, and you don't need all the other minerals because they're already there. You're just activating it. Here in Perth, especially in the sands, I find we need to, when we do that enrichment, you need to get a lot more longer lasting ingredients. In this like vegetable concentrate here, we tend to use clays, biochars, both of which last indefinitely. And then into that we use very high quality composts. We do use a bit of manure just to get the bacteria in there, but then we use a range of minerals what are longer lasting and are going to help enrich the whole sand aspect, as well as silt and things like that. So everything that's missing in the sand.